Hi guys, Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. This is the video that's going to teach you how to get the most fun and the most learning out of my bucket drumming videos. I have organized the pages into 3 parts. This is level 1, this is level 2, and this is level 3. But let me explain. You know how when you're doing video games and you do the same thing over and over again until you get really good at it? You're going to need to do this with your bucket drumming videos also. Because when you first start, you'll probably be on level 1 right here. This is the video where I'm playing along and all you have to do is copy me. But as you're playing level 1 over and over again, you're going to get better at it and you're going to start hearing some patterns, and then you're going to start sneaking a peek up here to level 2. And level 2 is just the written music. All you have to do for level 2 is start playing what I have written at the top. And you follow this little arrow. The arrow does 1 measure at a time. So it'll go click, click, rim, rim, top, top, side, side. And then it goes to the next page. So once you don't need level 1 anymore, you're going to stick basically to level 2. But when level 2 gets too easy, this is super hard. You have to try level 3, which is where you're still following the music, but you're sneaking peeks down here to see what's coming next. Once you can do that, when you get to the end of the line, you'll know what's coming next and you won't even miss a single beat. So here's the lowdown. You start with level 1. When that gets too easy, you start looking up at level 2. When level 2 gets too easy, you start sneaking peeks down here so you're ready for the next page, and that is level 3. I hope you have tons of fun. Don't forget you'll have to do the same videos over and over again until you get really good at each one, and that's what makes a great musician. Thanks for watching. Check out my recorder videos, my bucket drumming videos, and my music minutes. Subscribe to my channel for updates. Click the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And don't forget, Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's and student's best friend.